Okay, so hello friends. Today I'm starting new series. This is A to Z about DSA. So in starting, we'll learn about something about the basic. So in basic, first we learn what is input and output. So user defined input and also user defined output. Uh, I know what is so input is basically to feed something, okay, into device. So if the flow of the direction is from the device, means keyboard, mouse, etc., to the memory, then it's called as a input. Okay, then it's called as a input. And if we so in C, in C basically we used in C programming. Actually, C programming basically we used scanf as a standard input, as a commonly used function to take the input from the user. Okay, or take the input from the user. So if we show the okay, so if we go to any online compiler, so I basically doing the code in C for first. So in C, we know what is the it has included stdio.h. In main function, if I take in the integer type test. So basically I test the number, user who given the number is integer or something. So integer or something, basically we see the scanf for user defined function. What is the use of scanf? So this is the input function. So I'm write the code now. So printf, but printf is the output function. Okay, let's see in the next. But here main focus is the scanf. So in the scanf, okay, so we compile the code. Yes, it's compiled successfully. So we give 5. We know 5 is a integer. So yeah, the number yeah, so the number integer is 5. Okay, so scanf basically used as a input, user defined input in C. Okay, and in C++ we used input as a cin. Okay, so let us learn about the output. So what is output? It means to display some data on the screen or printer, any of the file. So that means the flow of the bytes from memory to device. Okay, so in final we see the output on the screen. This is called like a output. Okay, so we see some example. Okay, so in user output, printf in C program, printf used as a user defined output. This is a standard output function. Okay, so write the code. It's very simple. So in the main function, printf hello world. Just if you print anything, you write in quotation in here. Yes, and okay, I'm run the code, and yes, it's print hello world. So basically printf used as a printf function used as a output, user defined output. Okay, and in if you use C++, so in C++, cout is used as a standard output, standard user defined standard output. Okay, yeah, look, so in C++, just it's changed to cout. Cout is a standard output, standard user defined output. Okay, Now let us talk about the data types. So what is the data types? In C++ or any other language, data types are basically the declaration of variables. Okay, so it's basically the declaration of a variables. This determines the type and size of the associated with variables. So how it's looks like. So okay, so int int is equals to 23. So basically here int is the data type. So first we know what is the age and what is 23. So basically age is the variable. Okay, age is the variable and 23 is the value. 23 assigned in the age. Okay, so what is the definition? It looks like data types are declaration for variable. So data types are declaration of a variable. So age 23, so its declaration is so 23 is what type of variable is it's basically integer type of variable. Okay, so in integer is one type of variable, sorry, one type of data type, and age is the variable. So yeah, so what is variable? Variable is in the term it's vary, but yeah, okay, so it's basically a reverse memory. So when we write the age, instantly it's in memory, one space is created, space is created for variable, name is age. Okay, so it's basically a reverse it's basically reverse memory location to store the value. In here value is 23. Okay, this means that when you created a variable, you reverse some space, reserve you reserve some space in memory. Okay, this is the variable and this is the data int. Okay, let's see the types of data types. How many types are in data types? Okay, so there are three types of data types. So basically, first is primary types, and second one is derived types, and third one is user defined type. Okay, so in primary type there are various type: integer, character type, boolean type, floating means float, and double and void. These all are in primary type data types category. And what is the derived type? Derived type is like a function, like array, pointer, and reference. And these also very important. User defined data types are class, structure, union. So class is a class, and class basically used in mainly used in yeah, higher level. Okay, higher level in programming. So yeah, that's all for today. Okay, so if you like the content, please like and share in your friend. Yeah, and also support my channel. Yeah, that's all. Okay, thank you.